The Squared Up Web API plugin allows you to query any HTTP API that returns its results in JSON. You can then query and visualize these results on Squared Up dashboards. This is particularly useful for data sources that aren't quite native to Squared Up just yet, or internal, more custom APIs to your organization. In this example, I'm querying a simple HTTP API called the Star Wars API. This is returning a list of people. If I go to my data sources, you can see the configuration for my Star Wars API. I've given it a display name, a base URL, and some further configuration options. If I go back to my dashboard, I can edit the tile where the data is being surfaced, and you can see the query I am using for my API. So I've given it a display name, so I'm querying the people of the Star Wars API. You can see the base URL, the endpoint path, and my further configuration options. I can also send a test request to the API to make sure it's working correctly. Once my data is being returned, I can then shape the API results. I can add a filter for just those characters with brown eyes if I want to. Once I'm happy with my data, I can save it, and the changes are reflected on my dashboard. So we look forward to seeing what you use the Web API plugin for, and happy dashboarding.